Crawford Baptist Convention House, circa 1875 and 1915, built in the Victorian Gothic style. This house was originally constructed circa 1875 by Wellington Vrooman, a New York native, who had come to town in 1859 as a B&O railroad official, then served in various federal positions in the 1860s. He operated a mill and was active in politics as a city councilor, state legislator, and mayor. After Vrooman's death in 1912, the house was sold. In 1915, the John Crawford family acquired the house and undertook a major remodeling and updating. John McClanahan Crawford, who lived from 1867 to 1950, founded the Rig and Reel Company, a leading national supplier of oil and gas field equipment. He built the first auto bridge linking Parkersburg and Belpre and was a longtime senior warden at Trinity Episcopal Church. The remodeling of the house included applying stucco to the exterior, enclosing the porch for a sunroom, adding a wing and garage to the rear, and providing conveniences such as a private switchboard, a self-contained water system, call bells under the dining room table, a central vacuum system, automatic closet door lights, and an inside garage door opener, all luxury innovations at the time. In 1949, when Dr. Hugh Pickett was executive secretary, the Baptist Convention acquired the house and moved here from 4th Street. In the early 1970s, the garage at the back of the building was torn down and a workroom, office space, and restrooms added. Originally, the maids' quarters were separate from the main part of the house. Currently, there are 3 floors and a full basement. There were 6 working fireplaces in the house and French doors connecting the living room and sun porch. Now the dining room functions as a reception room and the living room is a conference room. The heating system with the original radiators still heats the building comfortably. The picture above the fireplace is original to the house and was restored in 1975. It reflects the house's majestic presence in the historic district.